It is an absolutely beautiful day on the coast of Oregon. Bandon is the most beautiful place I've ever been to, and so I would like to have you join me for a hike on one of my favorite places. I am barefoot right now, and let's go explore. I just had a really incredible encounter with a woman who recognized me from buying a piece of furniture on Facebook Marketplace, and it turns out she is a retired acupuncturist, Chinese medicine practitioner, and an intuitive, and we had a really great conversation. So that's a good intro for going through this mystical tree tunnel here. How cool is this? I love meeting and talking with people and getting out in the sun, grounding, letting off some energy, because I'm very energized after how this past week has been so incredible in my life. I started my 30-day writing challenge, and after 1 week, or rather 9 days, I had to stop. Not because I didn't have anything to write about, because I had written so much and gotten such an incredible response from people all around the world that I needed to prioritize my own health and step back a bit and just rest and not stare at a fucking screen for hours responding to so many messages. So that is a huge blessing, getting a response from people that are telling me about their lives and their health situations. It's really nice. So I'm going to continue on this path, walk by some tourists, and get on with the hike. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Come on, baby.
These tree tunnels are so mystical, and
there's
it's
a
like,
little baby deer.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, just walked back there.
Wow.
So that's what we were just stopping
those ponds are pretty.
Oh yeah. Well, enjoy your day.
Thanks, you too. Sorry, guys. I have such immense gratitude to be out walking and to pass someone who's walking with a cane, and to have that not be me. Because it was me. I remember that the walk from the couch to the bathroom was so incredibly exhausting and difficult that I literally distended my bladder permanently because I held in my urine for so long. Because I didn't want to go to the bathroom, because it was too painful to get there. And I would hold it for 12 hours. And it took me years to heal my bladder just from holding it for so long. And that was a direct consequence of just living a sedentary life and having every movement be so incredibly painful. I was telling someone recently, I was doing a video consultation with a new health coaching client, and he's very ill with Lyme. And we were talking about reprogramming the nervous system and reprogramming the neuronal networks, your pathways in your brain, how to rewire them. And for me, when I was young, every single movement was fucking painful. That is what the programming was for me. It was that every single movement was pain, and so I didn't want to move. So to be able to turn movement into a joyful practice, to get somewhere like here, that is such a beautiful place, and I'm walking on asphalt with bare feet right now. You know, I walk on gravel, I walk on sand, I do rock climbing with bare feet. And I love living in a place too where there's so many dogs that walk themselves. Look at this old guy here. Come on, buddy. Let's go. The dogs here love to walk themselves.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pretty much your backyard.
Yeah. Hey, that's a fine leather hat you have.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy your day.
All right, you as well.
Ah.
Get one like it down at the top of the bench.
I'm sorry?
If you can get one like it down at the top of the bench.
That's right, he's got a good selection.
Yeah,
Oh, I love meeting people. Everyone's in a good mood here. Hello there. Came to a good place to take pictures.
Good morning.
So you'll see that on one side of me, the western side, it is beautiful, it is blue, it is nice and warm. And then on the eastern side, it is cold, it is foggy, it is misty. It's a lot more of a challenge to be shirtless and shorts when the fog is coming here, because on the Oregon coast, you think of the beach as being pleasant and nice. You don't think of it as similar to being sandblasted inside of a fucking cold plunge, because that's exactly what it's like. The wind here is so intense, I don't even know if this video is gonna turn out, even though it's a mildly windy day. The wind is so intense, it picks up the sand and it will just bite into my skin. It is so intense. So here I am now on one of my favorite spots. I'm gonna hold the camera high. All right, for the sake of keeping this video a little bit shorter, I'm gonna take the shortcut, which is also the more intense way to get down here. The other way is stairs over that direction, and they have metal cattle grates essentially for steps. It's very challenging on the bare feet. This is also challenging because I'm about to walk down some very sharp rocks and hopefully not drop my camera. So we'll see what happens. I'm about to put you on third person shoulder drone mode. I might need my hands. Got through the hardest part. Thank you for everyone following me. By the way, this is day one. I'm taking a total break from nicotine. I don't have a patch on. I don't have a lozenge in my mouth. I'm going to be going totally nicotine free for the next week, just to show people what it's like and to show myself what it's like. So I'm gonna scale this rock again to show people how God has blessed me, because this was impossible in the past, and I love climbing, and I know there are other people who want to climb again and they're hopeful for that day. So I want to give you hope right now. Healing is possible. Look how sharp these rocks are. I've scratched the camera on these before. All right, I'm gonna jog up here. Oh, my calves are stretching. It burns, but I'm able to do it. Thank you, God. Oh, so if you made it this far in the video, thank you. I will update you guys again. God bless.